Here we go. Oh, here we go. Come on, come on. Stop, stop, stop. Stop.
Oh, beautiful. Wow.
Okay.
So that's about a 12-incher or 11.
Are you ready?
Yes. Here we are. We're at the City Nature Challenge Day down at Stony Run, and Tom Gamper is releasing some of our fingerlings from Western Votech. And there we go.
There they go.
Ah. Wow. Happy guy. Happy girl, rather. Okay, three more.
Add that the stream is in gorgeous shape this morning, and there's some bugs coming off.
Right. So if you have 3 there, what was it, 2 in the first?
2 in the first.
So it's 5 we're up to.
Yeah. There they go. Notice that their color's still pale. Within a day, their coloring will turn the dark color of the stream.
Yep.
To help them with their camouflage.
Look at that. That's a nice size one. 3.5 inches probably.
Yep.
Very cool.
I've got one more here. And off she goes. Oh, she's an explorer.
Oh my goodness. Wow. I don't know what we'll see, but
I think it was that 6. That was it, Steve.
okay.
The bucket is, the well's gone dry. That's it.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah.
No big deal. Yeah. All right.
Double stream chub and a rainbow trout. And so impressed.